everyone, how are you? Hopefully you all guys feel great today. Well, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Koma Intan Anjali Devi and you can call me Ucha. I'm strongly interested in art, both modern and traditional. For me, art has become a part of my life, especially I like singing, dancing, and role-playing in dramas. For me, art is not just a hobby, but also as a part-time job that provides income that I will use to sufficient my daily needs without asking parents. So, I'm very proud to be a financial independent woman. So far, my education costs are still paid by my parents, but apart from that, for my personal needs, it has become my responsibility. By the way, talking about my hobbies that I have, I'm very proud to preserve my culture, both traditional and modern. If you want to know more about my work and talents, you can check on my YouTube channel in The Unendra. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it. Well, I also got a lot of achievement because of pursuing the art itself. One of the highest awards that I have achieved is the coronation as Jigad Management in 2018, where I am believed to be a role model for management student at Ganesha University of Education. Okay, that's all about me. Have a nice day and see you. Goodbye.